Welcome to the Sacred Raven Tarot Vision, your TV for transformation and truth. And we're going to do another unboxing. Yes, because I have now got the Crystal Wisdom Healing Oracle by Judy Hall. They're beautiful. It's got 50 crystal cards that come with it, accompanied of course with a full colored book, with a handbook. So we're going to open this up and we're going to see which cards are included, okay, among the 50, and know that these are the cards I'm going to be using among the others, right? This is a great deck to have, particularly if you don't own every crystal out there. This will work just as well, right? They still radiate, they still have the energy of the crystal, and they can still be used just as though you had the crystal. Of course, it's amazing to have the crystal if you do, but it's not completely necessary. So I do have some of my own. I have some chakra stones, healing stones, and whatnot, but some other stones, you know, I plan on getting. Just recently got my rose quartz wand, which I love. Take a look at this one. It's so beautiful. Okay. And this one here, the Druzy crystal. It's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that blue. So gorgeous. Okay. And as you know, I've got the quartz crystal runes right here. All right, so we're going to open this deck and see what's included, what's inside, shall we? Okay. Now, I'm really excited. Now I got this one at the Barnes & Noble. I was very surprised to see that Barnes & Noble had such a wide selection of tarot and oracle. They never used to. So it was a very nice surprise, because when I went looking, I expected to see maybe two, three. But no, they had quite a selection. I'm not sure about your own Barnes & Noble, but I'm sure if you go online, you'll find some, as well as Amazon, of course. You know, you can find anything online. But this is the deck, okay? Should you be interested in your own. The box is gorgeous. That. Beautiful. It's got the little thingamajig so you can pull it out. So let's see. Got the book. The book is very nice, of course. Got the information inside with the crystal. Wow. It even discusses shapes, which I really like. Wow. How cool is that? Amethyst for inner peace, citrine for abundance. I love it. It goes into the divination of it, the self-understanding, the healing insight, its frequency, the chakras, the timing, as in, you know, the zodiac, and the soul path. Developing unshakable inner peace. That's really cool. So let's take a look at multi-dimensional variations. Look at that. It's amazing, isn't it? It's gorgeous. Healing vibrational cards. Selenite for divine light. Okay, so let's take a look All right. I love the box. I love how it's just, look at that. Isn't that sexy? So right off the bat, we've got black tourmaline. Okay. Vibration is a 1, and I love this gorgeous purple color with the black. Look how beautiful that is. Okay. If you look at the sides, it's a nice shiny silver. Ooh. That makes the cards just look even more just glamorous. And of course, there's always the plastic that holds the cards together. I mean, look. I'm gonna open right up to, ooh, smoky quartz. Ooh. Is that not beautiful? Tell me that's not gorgeous. Ooh, peridot. I mean, look. It looks like they're color coordinated. We've got lots of beautiful, the like lavender borders. Bumblebee jasper. Oh, cool. Flint. Looks like the moon. Ooh. Chrysocolla. Wow. Now these are a little. At first, it seems like they're a little sticky. You know, sticking together a little bit. Ooh, blue lace agate. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. I'm adoring these. Lapis lazuli. Wow. Labradorite. Oh, wow. Aurolite. This is really cool. The golden healer. So, as you can see, ooh, polychrome jasper. Ooh, Frizzelli bluestone. Moldavite. I mean, this is, wow. This is called Soulmate. I had no idea there's a crystal called Soulmate. So I'm learning right with you guys right now. Lavender aragonite. I mean, look at that. And I love how the picture, the photograph, right? They're laid down where it's like a black glass and a black background, which really makes that crystal stick out. Turquoise. Beautiful. Menolite. It looks like a marshmallow. Halite. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Kambaba jasper. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Rhodotite. Wow. Purpurite. Ooh. Rhodochrosite. Look at the shape of that. Look how perfect. Look at that. Wow. Okay. And let's see if we can get this. This is a Herkimer diamond. First time I'm ever seeing this. A Herkimer diamond. Maybe you guys can tell me in the comments if you've seen these and you know of them, or if you own them. Ancestralite. Nice. Look at that. Eye of the Storm. That is quite a name. Let's see. Oh, they're sticky. Here we go. graphic smoky quartz. Charoite. Look at that. Look at that color. Charoite. Amazing. Incredible. So they are, now the cards are I would say they're slightly glossy. I love the silver trim, right? I don't think I showed this one. Look at that. It's just they are beautiful. The cards, the photographs are gorgeous, as you can see. Ooh, Nirvana quartz. Gotta take a look at this. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. So, oh my gosh. Oh yeah, that's the golden healer. Okay. Yeah. Azeztulite. Yeah, like I said, if you're familiar with these, let me know in the comments. Anandalite. And if you know anything about this crystal, any of the ones that you're familiar with, let me know and tell me where you got them. Maybe you have a story connected to it. Maybe you know exactly where they come from. Trigonic. A trigonic quartz. And I see the word trig, so that's try. That's got to do with something with the shape of it, I'm sure. Rainbow Mayanite. Look at that. The color is amazing. And of course, selenite. I'd like to buy a selenite, stick of selenite, and I think I will. So we've got them all. Yeah. Did I show this? Quantum Quattro. Wow. Let's see. Okay. Ooh, bloodstone. Okay. Blue lace agate. I think I showed this one. Yeah. Tiger's eye. Yep. Garnet. Like the wine. And I think we're good. I think we've shown them. Yeah. Malachite. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, bumblebee jasper. We've got them all. Carnelian. That looks like Jupiter. So, yeah, ooh, one jumped out. The back of them is really nice. Look at that. So they're really gorgeous. Shiny. Gorgeous photography. I love the borders. I mean, look at that. Yeah. Gorgeous box to put them in. Nice book. Wow. Information packed, okay? High quality information packed. How many pages? Really 119 pages. Yeah, a trigonic crystal has upside down triangular indentations cascading down it so that are encoding for the soul. Wow. Imagine that. So that's it. How long have we been in? Yeah, nearly 15 minutes. So I hope that wasn't too long for you. I hope that you're able to, you feel that you've got a nice look at this deck, and I don't know, maybe you might want to pick one up yourself, you know, which I think might be a good idea if you can't get your hands on all the stones. And what's more is you get education because you get a book with it too. So you get to learn more about its healing, its properties, its shape, and why it's shaped that way, and what its uses are for, and so forth, as well as the divination part of it too. Okay. So there we go. There we are. The Crystal Wisdom Healing Oracle by Judy Hall. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for joining me here at the Sacred Raven Tarot Vision, and I'll see you soon. I love you. Bye.